Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be going over the steps on how to wipe your flash drive. Some people like to say format, some people like to say wipe, but these steps are pretty easy on how to completely wipe your flash drive and get rid of anything that's on it. So before I begin, give this video a like, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions, drop them down below. So if you have a flash drive, thumb drive, external hard drive, this will pretty much work with anything. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. Grab your flash drive or hard drive or whatever you have and go to this PC shortcut. You may have it on your desktop, you may not. If you don't have it here, you can always type here to search and search for this PC. Click on that. This window is going to pop up. So now take your flash drive and plug it into your computer. Like so. Alright, so in this window, it should pop up and read whatever you have. So mine is removable disk E. Yours may be something different. So I'm just going to double click it. So I have a few things on this flash drive. Now you could essentially right click each one and click on delete, right click delete. That takes some time, kind of cumbersome if you think about it. So what we're going to do is we're going to format this flash drive, kind of delete everything at once. So we're going to hit the back button. And on the disk E or disk F or G, whatever you have, you're just going to right click and click on format. So this little window pops up. You can just kind of look at these options here. Now it may say the capacity on how big your flash drive is. The file system is kind of important. So if your flash drive or whatever you have is just strictly going to Windows 10 machines, if it's laptops or desktops, you can set it to NTFS. If your flash drive is going between a Windows machine and a Mac, you might want to put it on FAT32 or exFAT, just so that the Mac can read the files in a short answer without really getting anything complicated. So if it's a Windows machine only, you can select NTFS. If it's between Windows and Mac, either FAT32 or exFAT. So for me, I'm just going to click on NTFS. You can leave this alone, you can leave this alone. You can name it if you want. Mine's already removable disk E, so I'm just going to keep it that way. Quick format is checked, and we're just going to hit start. And then it does say, warning, formatting will erase all data on this disk. To format the disk, click OK. To quit, click cancel. So before you wipe your flash drive, make sure you have everything backed up. If you wanted it back up to either Google Drive, your computer, another flash drive, just back up anything that you want backup. So we'll just click OK. It will go through the process. It'll say format complete, so we'll hit OK. Here we'll just close out. Now if we double click our flash drive, nothing's in here anymore. It wiped out everything that I had previously saved. So that was just a quick video on how to format your flash drive. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, guys, and I will see you on the next video.